like this, you have two lines, the gray line, okay, and the bias. So imagine that this is your pattern. It's always the same when you have the north, you know, on the board you see nothing. Okay, and imagine that you can do a garment from directly on the fabric. What can you do with the fabric, for example? You can drape it. That everybody knows. But what can you do for also? A simple thing. You can fold it from large or from high to okay. And that's what Cristobal Balenciaga did at the first time. He noticed that the fabric is what kind of form it is? A square or a exactly. And he put the rectangle on the floor. So you're going to do that first of all on the table. I'm going to show you how to do that on the table. And he did 2 cuts. And after 1 cut to finish the center front. I'm going to show you how. He took this fabric and folded it here. So you have the fabric which is like this with the first line which is the structure. After that, he decided here the front line. So he fold here, he cut here, and it's making the sleeves. And after he cut here to fold this to this. So there is only 2 cuts. First, I'm going to take the fabric to show you how it's made, and it's a bit like the idea of the kimono. You know what's a kimono? The traditional jacket, the Japanese or the Korean. You know how it's made? No?
Fold of fabric.
A lot of fabric?
With fold of fabric.
Fold of fabric, not exactly. When you go in Japan, or when you go in an Asiatic, you find rolls of fabric which are like this. 30 centimeters, no more. And it's longer, the longer, it's 7 meters. And they are on the first, on the same line, they cut parts that are exactly the same measure. And that's how the kimono is made. It's only bands and bands and bands and bands that are not to do the sleeve. And that's what I will learn you here with the fabric. How much is there inside here? A lot. Okay. So if I do it here, everybody sees, or I do this on the table? What do you prefer? Here? Okay. Do you have pins? Yeah, please. So imagine it all depends on not the measure, not about anything. It depends about the longest you want how do you say that? Long. How long you want for your dress, or your coat, or so you take your garment